Cool. And then like it would be like it would be like 0 and then like 5. I think
Mm-hmm.
this is time.
Mm-hmm. That's
Time.
the time axis.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would be
Okay.
something like this. And
Okay.
this is like and then this one is like the this one is like the distance.
Distance.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then here maybe it will be like um 3, 6, 9. I don't know if it'll be in like meters or something. And then it will say
Mm-hmm.
like um it will say like a boy goes to the park. So it'll start from 0. So he'll go to the park and then
Mm-hmm.
like this line indicates when he gets there. That'll be like at
Mm-hmm.
5, and then he'll be there for from like this will go across,
Mm-hmm.
and then he'll go down, and he'll go down. Which wait, let me do it like clearer. Let me make it more clear.
Okay.
So it'll go up. My bad. It'll go up like this, and then like to like at 5, and then
Mm-hmm.
it will go like this to like, and it'll show that he's at the park like playing, and then
Mm-hmm.
it'll go down to like, and it indicates that he's going back home. And then the questions will be like, how long did he spend at the park, or how long did it take until he got to the park,
Mm-hmm.
or how many distance, how much meters did he travel in total? So it'll be like 6 and then 12 since he went up to 6 and then came back down.
Okay.
Those were the questions. And then
Okay.
there'll probably be like another one where it was like it would be like um is it let me just do another distance one. I don't know. It would be like, okay, let's say for example is distance again. It'll be like a boy is going to visit his grandparents, and then like he stops to get like petrol.
Mm-hmm.
He stops to like get food or something like that. So then it'll come from here
Okay.
to like here. Maybe it'll stop at like in between the 5 and 10,
Mm-hmm.
and then what's it called? And then it would go back. It would go up to indicate that he's continuing his journey. And then like or maybe he'll stop somewhere, and
Mm-hmm.
and then it will show that he's reached his destination.
Mm-hmm.
And then like the questions will be like how long did he stop for? Uh what's it? what's it? Sorry. It'll be like, how long did he stop for, or
Mm-hmm.
how many meters did he travel in total, and stuff like that.
Okay. 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 I get your point now. Okay.
Mm.
So these graphs that you just made reference to, um, reading the values of them, um, would you say you are good with reading of values and all that?
Yeah, pardon?
I mean, so this because this graph, right, depends on your ability to read off the values,
Mm, mm.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Okay. So would you say that you are good with that skill?
I think so.
Okay. All right. So let's just say a few things here, right? Number one, if okay. So if we are looking at from here to here, that's the distance that he spent at wherever he went. Okay. Not doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
He was not doing anything. In other words, like downtime or something. He was not doing anything. So,
Mm,
and it's between 5 and 10. Do we want to make some assumptions that it's um what would you say is this value? Let's say you trace it down to here. Would you say it's directly between 5 and 10?
but maybe I can check
Is
Mama.
okay. No, 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 it's okay. Maybe we should just make that assumption since this is just a question that we came up with, right? Let's make that assumption. So if it's exactly between 5 and 10, the question now is
Mm,
this: what is that value that's between 5 and 10? If you divide five by the difference between 5 and 10 by two, you will see that it is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. So that means that value that is there is actually what is actually 7.5, because 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5. Okay.
mm,
So if the question was, for how long was he stable or not doing anything, then we would say 7.5 minus 5, which is 2.5, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so that would be the time for which he was not doing anything. Okay. Um, I think that's the main thing, right? What else can they ask? How long did it take him to continue the journey up to where he stopped?
I'm not sure. Maybe it'll be like how many
Okay, yes.
miles did he travel in total to get to his destination? I think.
Okay, how many miles? Okay, yes, good, good. How many miles did he travel in total, right? Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So if we do that, then we're going to calculate this and this, whatever is here.
I meant for that to be like 9. My bad. It's just a bit off.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So that's 9. So let's just say 9, 6, between 9 and 6. Then uh, let's see. Here it's already 6. So between 9 and 6, I have 3 miles. And between 6 and 0 is exactly 6. So that would be 9 miles altogether, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. So that's fine. Okay, all right. Any other possible question that can come from this?
I'm not sure. Uh, should I check my book?
Okay, that's good. You have your book with you.
Yeah.
Excellent. So please go ahead. Okay. So have you gotten any other one?
Come back.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll wait.
Okay, wait. Let me get my
All
light.
right.
So
Okay, good.
basically, the graph. Let me try to find an example. I think it's called distant. Oh, it's called conversion graphs. Let me wait. Can I try find it?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, I found it.
Okay, good.
Let me see this one. It's something like this.
Okay.
And then I want to see what the if I can find the curved ones. Wait, can I quickly try to find the curved ones as well?
Yes, please. Because I think
Because
we've
like the
done a
straight
lot
line
of
ones are
exercises.
easy.
You said what?
Because I think the straight line ones are easy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. I can't find any of the curved ones.
You can't.
Nah.
Even when you use real time.
Let me try find.
Mm. If you can't find it, then let's just revert to the straight line ones and figure those ones out.
I found the distance time graph ones. The ones I was telling you about.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's take a look
Let
at
me
what you
try.
found.
See. I'm trying to find questions.
Mm-hmm.
I'm checking this website.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I found one.
Okay, all right, please
This
share.
this this is the one I done at school.
Okay, your screen is coming up now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay, I can see it now. Distance time graphs. Okay. Question one. What does question one say? The distance time graph shows classes 8A's journey to the zoo. They stopped for a picnic on the way to the zoo. Okay, so that's technically the same thing that that other question, something similar to that. Okay, so the question now is, what time did the bus leave school? What time did the bus leave school? Um,
So that would be
well,
9.
yes, nine. I want to believe that's 13 hours time. So 9 a.m. Yes.
Yeah, 9 a.m.
Okay. All right. Okay. How about the second one? What time did they stop for a picture?
Picnic. It says, what time did they stop for a picnic?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is when they stop, like, at 10 a.m.
Yes, correct. 10 a.m. I'll go with that. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's look at the next one. What does the next question say?
How far had they traveled when they
Hmm.
stopped for a picnic?
Mm-hmm. So how far had they traveled when they stopped for a picnic? Okay. Okay, that was the next one. How long did they stop for? So how long did they stop for? That would be from 10 a.m. to 10:30. So that's how many
Mm,
minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, correct, or half an hour. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, then the next one said, what time did they arrive at the zoo? Okay, so what's the answer to that last one?
11:30.
Okay, all right. Nice job. That was the time they got to their destination. Okay, okay. So these ones, I think these questions are quite. Oh, that's not the last question. Please go a bit to the left. Let me see what the last one is. The last one says, how far is the zoo from school? How far
That it would be
is the
90
zoo? 90.
miles.
Okay, let me see. Is it really 90?
Yeah,
Uh, how far? Okay, okay, yes. From the school. Okay, yes, yes, yes. We'll go with 90 because of the way the scale of the graph is. Okay, is there another question on this? Let's see how it looks.
yeah.
Okay, the next one. Okay, so this one
Th-
says,
Is it best
yeah,
to like this or like
mm-hmm.
this?
I think I like, uh, no, no, I like it the way you had it back then.
This
Yes, yes,
one.
yes. It's fine. Yes, it's fine. Don't worry. I'll manage. So Emma traveled, or Emma traveled to her grandmother's house and back. The distance time graph shows information about her journey. Okay. So what does it say? What time did Emma begin her journey? So what would that be?
7:30 a.m.
Yes, I'll go with 7:32. Okay, next. How far was Ima from um home at 8 a.m.?
20 miles.
Hmm, are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you raise the this thing to 8
Wait, at
a.m.,
8 a.m.
it, yes.
How far was Emma from here? It's 8 a.m. I mean, it's 20 miles because if you go up the line, it interprets the 20-mile line here.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, nice one. Okay, the next one.
It says,
Let's look at the
how long
yes.
did Emma stay at her grandmother's house?
Okay.
So that would be from 8:30 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
to 10 a.m. So 31, 1 hour and 30 minutes.
1 hour, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. So the next one said, what time did Emma leave for? Oh, sorry, leave her grandmother's house. At what time did she leave her grandmother's house?
10 a.m.
Okay. 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 Pretty sure about that. Okay. Yes, I agree with that. Okay. So the next ones, I think they are for answering the remaining questions. Um, how far? was Emma at 11:45 a.m. 11:45. How far was she from home?
Uh, 11. That's 11:30.
Yes. How far did Emma travel in total?
So that's 11:30. I think this would be, is it 7.5 miles? I think so. That's an estimate.
The estimate.
It's 11:35 is the line between 11:30 and 12.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 7.5 miles.
Okay. Sorry, come again. What did you say for that last question?
7.5 miles
7.5. Why did you say 7.5?
because it says 11:45 and I feel like that line between 11:30 and 12 is 11:45 as what's it called? 11:45 is right in between uh 11:30 and
Mm-hmm.
12 at noon because what's it called? Um it's like a I don't even know how to explain it. Like it's halfway between both of the numbers and it's equally so if you were to add 15 to 11:45 it would give you 12 and if you were to minus 15
Mm-hmm.
from 11:45 it will give you 11:30.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, that's good. Okay, that's fine. Um, you didn't come by any graphs that uh would show you anyway. You said you searched, but I thought maybe you might find something.
I think so.
Um,
Um these ones you have to draw your own and I don't have it.
okay.
Mm.
Okay. But if it comes to drawing a graph, you can do that, right?
I think so, but it doesn't allow me to like use a pen on my
Mm-hmm.
screen.
Oh,
I'd have to
okay.
like screenshot it or something.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay. All right. So if you, cause okay, sorry, just hold on. Let me look at the question. Let me look at one of them. Erin leaves home at 11 a.m. She cycles at a speed of 16 miles per hour. Sorry, you've moved from the question I was reading.
So
Okay, it's back
so
now. Okay. She cycles at a speed of 16 miles per hour for 90 minutes. She stops for um she stops for half an hour. Okay. Erin then cycles home and arrives at 3 p.m. Okay, so this technically looks like information that you can use to draw any of those graphs, right?
mm,
Okay, all right. I think it's fairly simple. It's fine. Um, it's fine.
uh,
Okay, so for the graphs, the curved graphs, how are you going to handle that? Did you guys do any of the questions in class?
yeah. I think it'll be fun.
Okay. So you think you will be good?
Yeah,
All right. And you're sure it's just questions on the graphs that you'll be covering that will be covered in this test?
yeah,
Okay.
because it's the end of unit.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, okay, that's fine. All right. So, let's see. I wish you well in the test. Let me get to know how it went. Let's see um how the whole thing went. I believe it's going to come out well.
Yeah, I feel like this one is a bit easy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Don't worry. We'll see. Let's keep our hopes high.
Yeah,
And yeah, everything will be all right. Okay. So, looking forward to hearing from you tomorrow. And do your best to go to bed early tonight so you could rest well and be ready for tomorrow.
yeah. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Have a good night.
Good night to you, too, Uncle.
Yes.